What's going on, guys? It's Caleb, and this is a beautiful McLaren 650s in what I believe is their Elite Volcano Red, I think. If you follow me over on Instagram, you probably saw some sneak peeks of this McLaren, and it's true. I've been waiting for a while to get this video put together because I wanted it to be really good, and we are at that state. It's just a beautiful car. I mean, we've done supercars. To go through the channel, Lambos, GTRs, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's just not every day that I get my hands on McLaren, and that made me so excited to pull out the camera and not just enjoy filming it, but enjoy the detailing and prep work for PPF. And that's right, this car is getting a full frontal PPF package. So if you watch the ceramic coating versus PPF video, I kind of went over it with this car. We're going to take off the old PPF, get it nice, deconned and washed and everything, polish it a little bit, and then throw new PPF on. I really loved putting this video together, so sit back, relax, and I really hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we're filming and washing cars.
Great.
And
Bye-bye.
starting to help Tyler remove the tent and then hopefully. Takes a lot of pressure off my motor.
Alright, so far you guys have seen pretty much the entire front end get PPF'd. So we have the two front fenders in the hood, headlights, the front bumper, the front splitter, and the A-pillars. Other than that, it's been a little bit of a long day. But I will say, I've had my hands on quite a few supercars throughout my very short career thus far, and McLarens, they hit a little different, you know? You have your Lamborghinis, your Audi R8s, you have your GTR, you know, even Ferraris and stuff like that, but when it's a really nice McLaren, it hits well. This is my second McLaren I've had my hands on when it comes to doing any kind of job, and this one is very nice. I really like it. And the owner said he'd like to get a 750 LT, which, that'd be nice. Alright, so let's kill the music, start up a new song, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So that wraps up all the work with the McLaren. We got it washed, decon, and full frontal PPF. Took off the old stuff, put on the new stuff. And as you guys saw, Tyler even put in the fresh new vinyl for the trim. I don't particularly like that. I love carbon fiber, so. But anyways, yeah, that is it. What an amazingly beautiful car. All McLarens kind of look the same, but you know, it's easy to say that until you get your hands on one and you're like, man, this is pretty cool. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please show me by leaving a like. And if you like car content, go ahead and press subscribe. I'll see y'all next week with a new car. Yeah, if you're liking the PPF content, let me know. Keep it going, but otherwise check out Tyler's channel in the description. Cool, see ya.